Hey, we're here at Oval again. This is our this is our third time. Pero second time na medyo padilim na. And we're here at the Oval. Ayun guys, oh. Daming mga kainan. So we're on... Ayan, look at that. It's Tuna Festival 2024. For something to eat. There's a lot of food selections here that you can find. So you haven't visited yet the place, baka malapit na rin silang mag-close or mag-tone down kasi tapos na rin yung mga daily activities ng festival. Ayan. So, ano yun siya? So pa kasi may under construction tong oval namin, pero meron na rin namang mga naging development so far. So like itong pavement na to, it's already fully cemented. Ayan guys, oh. Dami, iba-iba. Dami stores. So dito, mas madami dito yung mga food shops. So meron namang mga tiangge dun sa isang area. So papakita ko sa inyo later. Wave ka na, kamay ka, wave. Wow.